How to check WhatsApp if someone is on another call. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can know if someone is on another call in WhatsApp. So it's really simple and easy, so let's get started. First, what you're going to do is you're going to initiate a WhatsApp call to their contacts. So initiate a call first. After you do that, if they are on a call, you will see a notification or hear a busy tone indicating that they are occupied. Sometimes you'll also see something like this that says is on another call. So if you hear that and see that message, that means that they are busy on another call, and yeah, they will still get the notification. So yeah, if you hear ringing, that is, if the calling ends, it starts ringing, that means that they're not on another WhatsApp call and they're available to receive it. And yeah, you can also send a message and observe the response time, or send a brief message asking if they are, busy or not, if they're on another call or not. And yeah, that's how you know. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.